40 blade all the way, man. Like butter. Real nice, light. Use the back of your palm as some pressure point there. See? Take off the front too while you're there. He's using his tail to cover it up. Come on, Jasper. Real light. You don't dig too hard or it will cut the skin. So real light. Look at this bushy mess here. So he actually rented my kit for free and did his dog about a month ago. So they couldn't do the pads, obviously. You can come back and scissor this, but I'm here. We're doing a short haircut. Go ahead and just take all that off, round it all out. Yeah, watch out. Just in case there's fleas, so I can contain it a little bit. No, you didn't get it on your feet. Up. This is a few months of work, so it's taking a little longer, but you can see it just taking it right off. Look at the nails, they're so long. They obviously didn't get to do the nails either. And that's okay that, you know, all pet parents don't know how to do nails, so it's fine. But they would have had to go to the vet if I didn't come back for a minute.